Assalamu alaikum everyone. Now let's continue on with Luna Classic. We are looking at Luna Classic now again back to 22 figures, and so very quickly, if you can notice on the 15 minutes time frame, we do have the bear flag right there, and we're breaking out of the bear flag at the moment. So we take the top to the bottom right there, and this is where we're looking to drop down to 22,782, but it actually doesn't stop there because if I saw another pattern on the daily time frame, and it seems like we are in some sort of a trouble, and we're not looking to go up anytime soon. So I think it's time to redraw the chart, because psychologically it's really important to clear the chart and look at it with a fresh new view. So let's give you a brief history. We started off with the crash, went down a little bit here, make the curve, went up, did accumulation here, went up again. You're looking to go down. It's like a long-term uptrend, okay? So if you look at it in a swing way, it's like you have the low, you have the higher low. If you do come down again right here and bounce from there, you still have a higher low and then continue up, and you're going to have this a higher high in the future, maybe go back up, and then you're going to have another higher high. It's all a matter and a question of if you can do that. Of course, if you start to come down to take out 8,000 level, that's not going to be great. Okay, so that was one thing that I want to discuss about, because on the weekly time frame we do have just like the same way we have these three black crows right there. On the weekly we have the three white soldiers as well. So coming down below 8,500 won't be good at all. Okay, so as long as you're above that place, ideally, yes, you can actually come to this support right here. You see that? That's the support that I might say, hey, this is where Luna Classic is looking to bounce. So that actually makes it 12,000. That would be really, really safe. Okay, really safe. As long as you're not coming down there. So that was a higher time frame. Let's dive into the daily. So the daily got a little bit of trouble, by the way. You do know that we're looking to go down. You do know that there's a box that I actually marked up. I'm just gonna bring it back again. So which starts from 14,000, right off from 14,000 right there, all the way down to 11,000 and something. So this is an area of influence that I'm really paying attention to for a long time, and it's gonna be the same way. So I'm just gonna leave that box right there. But on the daily time frame, just because you fall doesn't mean you're not going to keep falling to the downside. So first thing first, the EMAs have pretty much being heavy, they're becoming heavy for Luna Classic at the moment. Okay, so this week, even though it's supposed to maybe be a small relief, we might not get small relief, because if we go to the step-by-step scenario, then you do have this flag now. Unfortunately, you can see that that's a clear flag, and you're breaking out of that flag. You can see that. Okay, so you really need some microscope eyes to know to really notice all the flags. So you came down like this, you move a little bit up like that, and you're breaking out of here. So it's a very simple bear flag, actually, nothing more. This update is gonna be for the bear flag. Okay, so here we go, bear flag, simple pattern. Just want to teach you this one. Yeah, so the prices are moving down. You try to coil up a little bit, make a false move up, break down, go down, right? So the technical target out of it is the following. Okay, so we're still in deep trouble here with Luna Classic. Now keep in mind, if you do come back above 24,568, you're going to invalidate the bear flag. Okay, so this, I'm going to mark up that blue line right there, and it's going to be important to go above this level to potentially move a little higher. I'm not even going to say you're going to move completely high or start a bull run, but maybe just make a relief back to 25k or 26k. So it's going to be important to break 24,500. Now the technical target out of the bear flag, where it's meant to go, if we will be from there to there, and this is where you're breaking out of it, and you're looking for 18,537. We're really close to take out this low right here, and it's important to take out that low. So you take this low and you continue lower. When this low is going to be taken away, it's going to open up the doors to come down to this green box, and finally we're going to see major support down there. That's where I'm expecting big support, unless you don't come down and start losing 8,500. So these are just some levels that I really want to give you very quickly, and that's pretty much it for this Luna Classic update. It's nothing much, nothing fancy at the moment. We're still down. A lot of predictions are getting true day by day. Now let's see if we can get this one true, by the way, and that's gonna be from there to there. We're marking up 18% drop to the downside, further drop to the downside. So yeah, this is confirmation. At least I do have a confirmation that's a bear flag and it's breaking down on the daily. So yeah, I'm quite certain at the moment, unless we're not invalidating that bear flag by going to 24,500. And I'm gonna see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.